Hi folks, this is the first part of a job in which we will pack a large household into 2 portable containers in Plantation, Florida. First, let's check the entrance, dining room, kitchen, family room and garage. Pods Company is in the process of delivering the first portable container. Let's check upstairs the bedrooms and the master. There is a lot of items and boxes. We will try to pack all household into 2 portable containers only. If so, it will be a very tight fit. We will split the pods packing into 2 videos. This first container will be loaded mostly with furniture, pictures, mirrors and lamps. The second container will be loaded with boxes, 2 beds, garage items and more. So without further ado, let's go down and start our work. Follow us along until the end of both videos to see if we are going to be able to squeeze all these into 2 portable containers. I know that it will be hard to do. I will put a link for the second video in the description below. We will build walls mixing furniture and boxes. All furniture is wrapped with paper pads and shrink wrap. Note that we build transversal walls and try to use as much as possible the horizontal and vertical space available. I will put links in the description to other container packing videos where I explain why you should not let the packing rolls touch the ceiling. Wherever we can find a spot, we position smaller items such as shelves, umbrellas, or any other small items. Now we will position a tabletop against the couches and hook tie downs. We always try to tie the loading layers. This is the best way to go. Besides the tie downs, we use a box spring as a barrier to avoid items to shift and block the roll-up door when it's time for the unload. Check next how we packed the second container and if we managed to squeeze what is left into it. Thanks for watching and God bless America!